Wazirx is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. The exchange also offers a peer-to-peer marketplace that allows users to buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly with each other. Wazirx also allows users to trade cryptocurrencies for Indian rupees. The Indian cryptocurrency exchange Wazirx is one of the most popular in the country. It was founded in 2018 and has since grown to become one of the leading exchanges in terms of trading volume. We will give our price predictions for Wazirx for the next 5 years. The Wazirx utility token is denoted by WRX. The WRX coin is built on top of the blockchain that Binance uses. The total supply is 1 billion of it. Token holders will be rewarded with a variety of perks on the trading exchange, including reduced trading fees, WRX trade mining, token airdrops, margin cost reductions, and more. Wazirx was launched at a time when the Indian government was cracking down on cryptocurrency. Despite this, the Wazirx exchange managed to grow quickly and become one of the most popular in the country. This is due to its user-friendly interface and the wide range of pairs that it offers. In 2019, Wazirx was acquired by Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges. This gave it a boost in credibility and helped it to attract more users. The Wazirx token is a digital asset that is used to trade on the Wazirx exchange. The token was created in order to provide traders with an easy and convenient way to trade on the Wazirx exchange. The token is based on the Ethereum blockchain and utilizes the ERC20 token standard. The total supply of Wazirx tokens is 1 billion. The price of the Wazirx token has been on the rise in recent days, as traders expect the price of the token to increase in value due to the increasing usage of the Wazirx exchange. The technical analysis of the Wazirx token shows that there are many ups and downs for this digital asset, but overall it seems to be going in an upward trend. However, it is important to note that this trend could change directions at any time, so traders should always do their own research before investing in any digital asset. Wazirx is currently worth $0.162430. WRX has moved 4.43% in the last 24 hours with a trading volume of $7,565,699. Wazirx is currently ranked 289 amongst all cryptocurrencies with a market capitalization of $63,230,901. We believe that Wazirx will continue to grow in popularity in India and beyond over the next 9 years. We predict that the price of WRX tokens will increase as well. The current situation with cryptocurrency regulations in India is uncertain. The government has been cracking down on crypto exchanges and businesses operating in the space. However, it has not yet banned cryptocurrencies outright. This makes it difficult to predict what will happen to Wazirx over the next few years. If Indian regulators do eventually ban cryptocurrencies, then Wazirx would likely be forced to shut down its operations in the country. However, we believe that this is unlikely to happen in the next 5 years, as there is too much public support for cryptocurrencies now for them to be banned outright without causing significant backlash from citizens. Wazirx price prediction 2022. Wazirx, according to some, is one of the most amazing cryptocurrencies to rise this year. The WRX price forecast for 2022 anticipates a significant increase in the year's second half, possibly reaching $0.243659. As with other cryptocurrencies, the rise will be gradual, but no considerable drops are expected. Averaging $0.227415 in price is quite ambitious, but it is feasible in the near future given anticipated collaborations and advancements. WRX is expected to have a minimum value of $0.194927. Wazirx price prediction 2023. In 2023, Wazirx price prediction has much room for expansion. As a result of the potential announcements of numerous new partnerships and initiatives, we anticipate that the price of WRX will soon surpass $0.406099. However, we should wait to see if the WRX's relative strength index comes out of the oversold zone before placing any bullish bets. Considering the market volatility, WRX will trade with a minimum trading price of $0.324879 and an average trading price of $0.357367. Wazirx price prediction 2024. If the upward trend continues until 2024, it could reach $0.568538 and WRX may profit. If the market experiences a decline, the goal may not be met. WRX is expected to trade at an average price of $0.519806 and a low of $0.487319 in 2024. Wazirx price prediction 2025. If Wazirx successfully boosts market sentiment among cryptocurrency enthusiasts, the WRX coin price could remain stable for the next 5 years. According to our projections, WRX will be green in 2025. The WRX is expected to reach and surpass its all-time high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual currency will be worth $0.730978, with a minimum price of $0.649758 and an average price of $0.682246. Wazirx Price Prediction 2026. After some extensive forecasting and technical analysis, we estimate the WRX price is expected to cross an average price level of $0.844686 by 2026, with a minimum price of $0.812198 expected before the end of the year. Furthermore, WRX has a maximum price value of $0.893417. Wazirx Price Prediction 2027. Due to the future partnerships that are expected to happen by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish trend will continue, bringing the average price to around $1.01. If WRX manages to break the resistant level in 2027, we could see a maximum price of $1.06. Failing to gather the support WRX needs by 2027 could result in a low of $0.974637. Wazirx Price Prediction 2028. While WRX is striving towards interoperability between networks to hasten interaction, the bullish trend from the previous year is expected to continue. So the minimum trade price has been placed at $1.14 and a yearly price close above $1.22 in 2028. Wazirx Price Prediction 2029. By 2029, Wazirx will finally surpass its previous all-time high values and record new price levels. The minimum price could be $1.30 and potentially reach a maximum price value of $1.38, averaging out at $1.33. Wazirx Price Prediction 2030. In 2030, we are expecting cryptocurrency to have gained adoption across many sectors. As such, the maximum WRX price in 2030 is projected to be $1.59 in the event of a bull run, with an average price level of $1.53. So, we believe that Wazirx is a good investment option for both short-term and long-term investors. In the short term, we expect the price of WRX to continue to rise as more people become aware of its existence and start trading on its platform. In the long term, we believe that Wazirx will become one of the top 10 cryptocurrency exchanges in the world due to its strong team, user-friendly interface, and low fees.